wind, where are you blowing? Is it blowing by the one who cares, who is far away in the heart? My thoughts of longing and love are so great I can't say them, because the listener is far away. I can only send my song to the wind. Because of the weather, I feel like I'm missing someone. The distance is so far, I miss the one I used to hug so much. The wind doesn't blow, but the cold blows. The loneliness covers the heart. How are you, the one who is far away? Are you lonely like me? Wrap yourself up with a blanket when you sleep, don't you know? This winter I can only wait for an embrace from the one who misses you so much, so much. Oh, and the cold wind blows, the one who loves you back. The heart of the one waiting is weak. I miss the one who cares so much. Warming yourself by the fire, warming your body, but your heart is still cold as before. I want to hug, want to cuddle, want to say the words of love so much.